Do you know how to say I am eating or she is working in Dutch? Even though Dutch does not have an exact equivalent of the English continuous, we do have several ways to express ongoing actions. In today's video, I will teach you some of the most common ways to do it. The most common way to express ongoing actions in Dutch is with the verb zijn, which we conjugate. This is followed by aan het, which never changes, and then at the end, the action in the infinitive form. Here are a few example sentences. Ik ben aan het koken. I am cooking. Zij is aan het studeren. She is studying. Wij zijn aan het wandelen in het park. We are walking in the park. Another way of expressing ongoing actions in Dutch is with the verbs zitten, staan, liggen, and lopen, plus the word te, plus the infinitive. This adds some extra information about the posture of the person while doing the action. For example, de kat ligt te slapen. The cat is sleeping while lying down. Hij zit te lezen. He is reading while sitting. Hij staat te wachten op de bus. He is waiting for the bus while standing. Hij zit te wachten op de bus. He is waiting for the bus while sitting. Hij loopt altijd te mopperen over zijn werk. He is always complaining about his job. Lopen te in Dutch means someone is continuously doing something, often in an exaggerated or annoying way. This second option gives a clearer image of the situation. If you found this difficult or the posture is not important, you can always use the first option with zijn. Now it's your turn. What are you doing at the moment? Can you write it in the comments? I would love to read it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Dutch lessons. I will see you in the next video. Dag!